So, imagine you have this complex nested dictionary with different items and categories, and you need to filter it to only include items belonging to the fruit category. This can be quite a common problem when working with nested data structures, and it's important to find an efficient solution to tackle it. Now, let's delve into the solution to this filtering problem. One way to achieve this is by using a dictionary comprehension. In the provided code snippet, a dictionary comprehension is used to iterate over the items in the dictionary and filter out the items that belong to the fruit category. By creating a new dictionary with only the required items, we end up with a more concise and Pythonic solution. Continuing with the solution, another approach mentioned is using the filter function. This function constructs an iterator from elements of an iterable for which a specified function is true. In this case, the function filters out items based on whether their category is fruit. By employing filter in conjunction with a Lambda function, we can achieve the desired result of creating a new dictionary with only the items from the fruit category. Furthermore, a more structured and organized way to handle this problem is by encapsulating the filtering logic within a separate function. By defining a function that determines if an item belongs to the fruit category, the code becomes more modular and easier to understand. This function is then utilized within a dictionary comprehension to create a new dictionary containing only the fruit category items, ultimately providing a clean and readable solution. In summary, we've explored different methods to efficiently filter a nested dictionary based on certain criteria, specifically focusing on extracting items belonging to the fruit category. By utilizing dictionary comprehensions, the filter function, and organizing the filtering logic into a separate function, we've tackled this problem with Pythonic solutions. I hope you found this exploration helpful, and, as always, remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts.